The OnePlus Nord is set for July 21 announcement, and with the date nearing, I have been getting a lot of info on the upcoming phones from both official channel and leak alike. Recent information indicates that the OnePlus Nord may be more expensive than the previously thought, but a new leak will stoke the flame of expectant fans. Apparently, OnePlus is working on a new device that will feature the Snapdragon 690 and be even cheaper than the OnePlus Nord. According to Android ARM Chinese Tech OnePlus rumor smartphone, much has been said about OnePlus upcoming mid-range phone. The OnePlus Nord is set to launch later this month, and most major details of the phone have already been revealed. It appears, however, that the OnePlus Nord may not be the only mid-range phone OnePlus has on the card, because the OnePlus Nord is not a single phone, it is a series of phones. Well, hello everyone, welcome back to your own channel MoGame Tech, where we discuss smartphone, gaming and technology. Today as we discuss about OnePlus. Earlier today a new OnePlus device appeared on Geekbench with the model number BE2028. This isn't the Nord we have used to, though, as the phone typically bears the model designation AC2003. While both carry the Lito motherboard tag, the OnePlus Nord is typically clocked at 1.80 GHz. This new phone is clocked with 1.7 GHz. In addition, the new phone is listed with 6 GB of RAM versus the 12 GB on the OnePlus Nord. According to the popular tipster Digital Chat Station, this device is yet another OnePlus phone in the work, and one that will be powered by Snapdragon latest Snapdragon 690 processor. Perhaps a OnePlus Nord Lite of some sort? Yeah, the OnePlus Nord will be a MSRP under US $500, but this phone is expected to be even cheaper, possibly by up to CNY 1000 or US dollar 140. As we know, Qualcomm is announcing its first 6 series Snapdragon mobile chipset with support for 5G network. The Snapdragon 690 is built on the 8 new M processor and in the successor for Snapdragon 675. And this new chipset is paired with the ANX51 modem. This chipset is a part of Qualcomm's intention to make 5G more affordable for the consumer worldwide. HMD, LG, Motorola, Sharp, TCL and Wingtech are all expected to announce device running on this new chipset. The new Snapdragon 690 will support SA, NSA and global 5G band. If they are sub 6 GHz, Qualcomm didn't decide to include mmWave support for 690 that will remain on higher end 7 series and 8 series 5G chipsets like Snapdragon 865 and the 765G for now. You can expect 20% faster CPU speed and 60% faster GPU performance compared to Snapdragon 675. 5G isn't the only thing the new chipset bring. They enable HDR video recording at 4K at 30 FPS and support still up to 192 MP. It also announced a new enhancement to video encoding with it. Device with this chipset can smoothen the experience of watching high quality videos in the lower bandwidth situation by selecting enhancing moving part of the video. We can also expect to see more high refresh rate display using this chipset. The Snapdragon 690 supports 120Hz refresh rate display at up to Full HD Plus resolution and Quick Charge 4 Plus. This chipset also enables support for Wi-Fi 6, which is quite interesting on Qualcomm's Fast Connect 6200 system. And also the fun fact is that 690 supposed to be actually faster than the 765G with 2 A77 performance cores compared with 1 Prime and 1 performance core, both being an older A76 cores. This could mean any of the number of things. It could be yet another new OnePlus phone that we will manage to keep secret, and we will see it alongside the True Nord, or it could be arrive a later date. It could be powered by a brand new 769 or maybe a new processor and with 6 GB of RAM, and would go well with this lower market position. Alternatively, it might be an earlier version of Nord, more conservatively spaced. The whole thing is made all the more interesting by the fact that this BE2028 listing doesn't show up in the searches. We will know more in just 10 days, that's for sure. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day. We will be updating this discussion furthermore when we got to know new details about this smartphone.